FXBros.
Y'all hear me? There we here. Yeah. Let's see what the charts are looking like as we move further into the first month of this crazy year. It's got a lot going on this year. Just like we did last year, man. Ain't nothing changed. Everything moving fast, but as you can see, you can see we gapped up on Sunday on the dollar. Gapped up, gapped down. AUD. Yeah, right here. Sunday. Put on the hour, you see that gap down. Pretty much filled it. Now we're coming back with the bearish engulfing. Let's set up parameters for the weekly and see where we at. Did we just get news come up? Oh yeah, unemployment rate for China at 5.1. It's consistent. Retail sales is down. As you can see, I'm just looking at the news that just dropped. GDP growth rate is down. Yeah, we're not the only one. That's a fact. Previous weekly high. I said we definitely gonna sweep the low and then go for the high. So if we're still bullish, I mean, this high did what it needed to do, rejecting that trend line. Previous week, couldn't even get up there. We kind of, if you look at it, we matched with the week before. The last week of December going into January. So I'm thinking AU overall should continue to go up with the dollar falling, but I don't know. We did come close early. Yeah, that was that gap down though. Say we came close with this weight, but then sweep the low though. Let's see. Let me get this range right quick. Put out the fibs. That's good enough. That's good enough. Take these fibs out. What's that, brother? 50%.
Yeah, what's poppin'?
Yeah. What's up? We got the previous weekly high, weekly range. Got down to the 4 hour. It's either chances are we sell off and sweep the previous low, weekly low, or before we even do that, if that is the move, we're gonna at least take the high from the Sunday open. Probably catch some sales above this 50% range of the previous week.
You think that dollar gonna keep going up?
Fuck no, that bitch gonna drop.
Why are you trying to sell AU?
Because that's where it's going right now. But overall, it's in buys. But I think AU gonna, I think it's gonna possibly continue with these sales. I'm not sure. This hour will determine a lot. I see it's buying back up with this bearish engulfing we just had on the 1 hour, but that might not even be the move because it is in the middle of this range. Like it ain't a bearish engulfing from the high up there. So I'll see how it trades. Like again, I'll pull the fibs out on that hour.
I low key just want to buy it based off of the news, man. You know, the tariff shit. People gonna be fucking
Right.
being afraid. Shit probably gonna buy it for the first 2
Yeah.
days, and then it might sell off some shit.
Yeah, that's for sure. I mean,
But once them tariffs hit in February, that bitch definitely gonna buy up, I think. But like I was saying before, last week and the week before, bro, that bitch don't break no lows. You good for still continue buys like right now. It refused to break those lows, bro.
you talking about AU?
Yeah, that bitch keep on going right there to the same spot.
Yeah,
Like I
it
was
touched it
saying
like 3
before,
times.
4 or 5 times at this
Yeah,
point.
yeah, really, 1, 2,
That
3,
bitch
4,
keep
5.
touching it, bro.
Yeah,
They keep touching it, and it refused to break. 1, 2, 3, 4. That little same area. I'm just saying, how many times I keep going up and coming back to the same area, at
yeah,
a 667 area, like six
mm,
six, yeah, 667. 1,
yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5 times, bro. 5 times, and it refused to even just now, even when it made the low high, it just refuses to break that area. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So I mean, I would literally just be trying to rake in point zero 0.01, point zero 0.01. Every time it comes to that level, I buy point zero 0.01 at that level until it break it. Like in
And
hopes,
I really been
not
playing the
hopes,
range.
but in just seeing that it will. Yeah, I feel that too. That's fine.
That's really
That
what it's
bitch
been
will.
doing since the last week of December. The only thing that I did miss out on was selling from 67.60 when it made that extreme high touching that trend line. I missed out on that move. I probably would still been holding that bitch. I ain't gonna lie to you. I
Six,
didn't
seven,
move.
60.
Way up there. That peak it made
Yeah,
on the 6th, January 6th. January.
yeah,
Mhm. Like I said, I had that trend line drawn up since last year, so that was already like a confirmation that it ran all the way up there and touched that hole. It didn't break it or nothing. Wick from there and sold out.
yeah.
Mhm. But yeah, I've been taking profits every time it come down here. That 6670 area. Every time it come down there because I've been noticing
Right.
how it's difficult to break it. But if it does break it, not only
Yeah.
does it got clean traffic to the left, but it's going to sell hard because that's a
Yeah, it
strong
could
area right there.
easily at least come to 659, 65,
Yep,
66,
660. Yep, 66 flat.
somewhere around there. Even if not, if it still wants to buy up a lot, that bit of really kind of like 662
Yeah,
area, 662 ish, 66. Yeah, and then boom. But anywhere in that early 66 area, good buys.
yeah. I really got my money on that it's going to break that hole. Even though I feel that AU is going to go up for the long term, but I think that's a lot of liquidity. And if the market could get all them stop losses and trick people into sales, and then that bitch turn right
Right.
back up and buy, like that's So yeah, that's how AU like to do, especially when it's building up this support like this.
Yeah.
And the stop loss is down there, you know. Everybody got their shit right up under that hole, like a dummy. But yeah, that's pretty much long term. Like short term, I am in sales on AU. I'm in buys on UJ. So I'm playing that little play right there. But overall, yes, I feel like the
Yo,
pound.
buys or UJ. Yeah, I want the GJ buys.
Yeah, I caught that wick right when it sold off. I was like, I ain't too sure about that sell off, so I'm fading that. If it get me out, cool. At least I caught the bottom, but I caught the bottom for sure.
Yeah. I low key wanted to buy at the open, but I just,
That bitch
I
got down like
heard
a
things when I
motherfucker at the
was
opener.
coming into.
That's good you didn't buy it in.
No, I wanted to buy GJ on the open. That mug bust up when it open.
Oh, okay.
I'm a GJ buy. Yeah, I'll be
Right,
on
right. I see
GH.
it. I see
That
it.
bitch it opened down right where I wanted to buy it last week. So I should have just thought
Mm-hmm.
out the strength that it was at the spot. Like when it gapped to a spot that you wanted at, just do whatever you want that shit at. Like
Yeah, if you finna
that's
buy it, fix it,
everybody
buy it.
wanted it right there. You know what I'm saying? Boom, what that bitch did. Took off up
And it's a
to
good
close
risk
the gap.
reward setup. Like, look where you could put your stop loss at 209 if you want to. That's far out,
Right.
but you can do that because now
Shoot.
you could go for 214. That's a 3-to-1. A 2-to-1, 2.5 to 1, some shit like that. So that's a
Right.
good on any day.
Man, that stop loss would have been at 209.95 or something. You know what I'm saying? 209.95 right there. Like, man, if that little call I had weeks ago, bro, like that's where the stop loss was at. And that bitch never to this day, weeks later, never hit that stop loss, bro. Like
And it's
that bitch
building
is
bullish.
holding strong, and that's why I was saying about AU. If that, like, man, you can hold these trades for weeks, as long as it don't hit that stop loss, man, you can add positions at those lows. You know, every time it come back, buy another one. Like right now, it just came. Like I was saying with GJ, it came back to these lows, buy again. Like it's just buy them up, buy them up. Like buy low, sell high for sure. Right, accumulate small
Not
positions.
fact.
Like don't try to go heavy. You know what I'm saying? Accumulate. That's how the banks do it. And then when it busts, you got so many small positions, you're gonna go crazy.
Yeah. And this shit, man, looking at it from 2020, COVID, like, yeah, this was like a stock. GJ.
Yeah,
That been look like gold. Just buy
yeah,
and
bro.
hold. Like literally.
Yeah, bro. GJ is my bitch. that
UJ the same way. All them bitches fine.
bitch look like it's about to probably come back. Well, as far as the munch, I'm looking at this munch chart. That bitch look like if this doji out, that bitch could pull all the way back 202, something possibly even 207, 202. Pull back.
Gold
Yeah,
gapped up.
fuck go. You should notice I ain't say nothing about that dumbass
I
shit.
never said about it, but bigger. You
That
can't.
shit so fucking stupid,
That bitch
bro.
about to hit 4,700 probably this week, bro.
That's
That
so
bitch went
stupid,
up
bro.
to
Like that bitch
46.9.
don't want to give nobody no positions, bro. Every week this bitch leave a gap, bro. If you go back every week open on Monday, this bitch just gap up, gap up, gap up every fucking Monday, bro. Every Sunday, my bad. That's so stupid, bro. Like pull this bitch back to 4,400. Dumbass motherfuckers. You keep on pushing this bitch. That bitch refused to fucking come down, bro. I've
That
never
bitch is
seen the
not going to
market
4,400.
gap.
Well, I ain't gonna say it's
This
not,
bitch
but
gapping like a stock, bro.
I said 4,500. Now, facts. But that lets you know how much money going into this shit.
Right,
Like, right? That's the only way a market will open up in a gap is because there's so many orders
right,
against that direction. And when the market open, it just can't price it at none of them prices. It got to go to
right. It gotta go up.
it got to
Right.
go up. Like, it cannot price at none of
That's
that
how
shit.
much money just keep on
Keep
getting
on,
dealt.
yup.
dove into this shit. It's
All that
crazy,
volume,
bro. Cause
all
it's
that
like
volume coming in.
shit, nigga.
Then you got silver gapping up 3.5%.
Right, already, bro.
New high, all-time high.
Crazy work.
Silver going to 100.
Easy.
Easy. That's
Next 2
psychological.
weeks.
Nah, facts. Big facts. Like, no matter what happened, if the market good, they going up. If the market bad, they really going up. Like, it's probably like the best. It's probably, I don't know. I ain't gonna say it's gonna outdo Bitcoin, but these two commodities right here and shit. Not only that, I done heard platinum and palladium doing the same thing, and now copper is
Crazy.
going for a run.
Damn.
Copper about to be like a fucking
Just
precious
buy the
metal.
metals, bro. We'll just buy the
Nah,
metals up.
fact.
Yeah,
Fuck.
I'm about to say, man, I was looking on the news, nigga was jacking the street lights, the lamps, and getting the
Mm,
copper out of them
mm,
Damn.
in the city. Yeah, bro.
Damn.
Well, not in the city, like on the West Bank, I think. Like, but yeah, he was getting.
Damn.
no, no.
Yeah,
Niggas on
That's
ChatGPT and say, "What? List everything they got copper in it."
I
that's
guess.
actually insane.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
How y'all got up there?
Yeah, that's crazy. What the nigga just hit that bitch and broke it and let the
It'd be that.
gold and diamonds fall on their head?
You would have to get up, like climb up the, like the pole or something, because you got to get that shit all up in there, like by the wires and stuff. That copper wire. Like I said, the market's going up. Well, I mean, no type of volume we gonna get come Tuesday.
No, you ain't never lying. So the stock market gonna be closed. So even if I put in the option, it's not gonna trigger, right?
I forgot. I think they did send an email, but I forgot what they said. Yeah, I'm not gonna do anything. But it's probably not gonna execute until the market
Tuesday.
open Tuesday. Yep, you got
Yeah,
it.
you can't get in until Tuesday, bro. Like you could put you a position and all that shit gonna do is make the market cap up though. Fuck.
No, fact.
Yeah, I'm saying you might
Just
well
like
What
wait.
you was?
copper. Look at copper gapped up.
If anything, you could set it to enter at open
That shit at
Yeah,
$5.
type shit.
you could put the order in, but yeah, just right when the
That's
market open, you get an order executed or somebody, which it will.
that's crazy.
What gold and silver and shit is doing is crazy. But I'll tell you one thing, I'm gonna be
Platinum,
on their ass. I'm gonna try to catch their
platinum 2300.
My thing is how far can you see silver go?
200.
I'm gonna
Like
tell you
real
like
talk.
this. I know
Yeah,
there's
no,
Like
true. I
like
feel you.
run a 200.
I feel you.
that
Run
bitch.
that bitch. Running it
It's
too.
like
I'm talking about this year.
it's a certain number
Wait,
that
hold on.
that
Let
they
me look.
say gold is supposed to be or silver is supposed to be of gold. Like it's a certain
Bro, because you got
multiple
to think about it.
that
This is
that lets
how
you
how
know.
the, how people looking at this shit, bro. If motherfucking this is why we came up with this shit. If motherfuckers could run Bitcoin up to 100K, why the fuck you can't run up gold type shit? Like, why is that shit not worth as more when it's tangible? You see what I'm saying? And I ain't saying run it to 100K. What I'm saying is, let's get that bit to something a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? That's what people, I feel like, is more stable. Why are we not trusting in the stable shit, but we trusting in something like Bitcoin? You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, I mean that's true, but you gotta think about it too. Like it's only supposed to be so many bitcoins. Like they still finding gold. They still mining gold to this day.
So you said it's not that
Like
value.
we ain't got to the end
There's
to
a
where the
lot of
whole earth is
gold.
drained of all the gold type shit.
Well, I don't think we're gonna get there neither.
That's what I'm saying. But we will get there with Bitcoin. I think we're gonna be dead and gone, but it's like 2130. The year that's gonna be the last date that the last Bitcoin is supposed to be mined. And there's no more ever gonna be created. Only 21 million. But at that time, you know, a Bitcoin
But
be
what
worth
is it
$5
worth?
million each. Depending on how much money goes into it. Like if the monetary system goes into Bitcoin or crypto and it start flowing through that and you get more volume or inflows with in it, the ETFs and all the derivatives, all that type of money, like yeah. Just like with XRP. I mean, they got a lot of coins that's gonna be available for them. So a coin like XRP probably will never see 10,000 a coin type shit. Because there's so many of them that's gonna be mined and type shit, or that's gonna be in circulation. Like that's why Bitcoin is up. Like you got to look at the total in circulation, and that's gonna determine how high that bitch will ever get. But like I said, it's like it's a whole like I mean the market cap for gold I think it's like 16 trillion. Nigga, we had 1 trillion in the whole crypto market. No, 3 trillion, 2 or 3 trillion.
Right.
You know, so it's like
exactly.
if that converts, if they convert physical gold and back that by crypto or some shit like the stable coin, then yeah, the crypto market could see a lot of fucking growth. And that's the other news story is stable coins getting legislation like banks to where they could start offering
loan.
Well, loans, but interest rates. Like you know how a bank give you that bullshit ass 0.0003 interest rate on your savings account?
Yeah.
Like a Tether or a USD coin or whatever the fuck that coin is. You know, these niggas could offer like 4%, 5%, 6% of your money. So
damn.
The banks don't want that to happen. They fighting in you know legislation right now to not get that to pass, because they do that, like ain't nobody about to put no money in no chase. Like it may not hit tomorrow, it may not be no off and on switch, but as the generation grows,
catching up. Yeah.
it's gonna start catching up. Yeah, as the generation grows, they gonna start seeing like
next
okay,
50 years is over.
I could get. That's what I'm saying. I could get 6% over here, just put my money in Tether. Like, yeah, that's where I'm going.
Next 100 years is for sure over. Basically, then people be looking at the shit decades.
Nah, facts. Big facts.
Long term was gonna fucking help this company.
I'm trying to see what the. Let me see how much is by ChatGPT. What's the gold to silver ratio? What is the gold for? 40 to 1, 60 to 1. The average 55 to 60. So, how to interpret the ratio? Below 40 to 1, silver is relatively expensive, often occurs during stronger silver bullish market. 40 to 60 to 1, balanced, normal. Above 70 to 1, silver is relatively cheap. So let's just do the math right quick, just so we can see where we at. Fucking silver is gold is 46.59. 46.59.50 divided by 93.0400. 50. So based on ChatGPT, we are shit, if it get any wider or any tighter, it's gonna be below the 40. It's kind of on the lower spectrum of the normal. So this could be like silver is relatively expensive if it get any lower. If that ratio gets any lower, under 40. Not to say like, okay, sell silver now, but that's kind of how they look at the market. So we balance. Everything is going accordingly. Even though we know the real gold price is 6,100, way up here based on Bitcoin.
Right.
That's where it's really supposed to be at. So it's taking its time. I'm gonna laugh like a motherfucker. That bitch get all the way up here and then just sell the fuck out. Like, boy, I'm called. What's the day? January 18th. Even though we what we put this? Your last year on in
Last
April.
December. Well,
No,
we
this is
did
from
that
April.
shit.
Well, I put the date on here. 4/18/2025. That was last year, April. So yeah, we calling. I didn't get a chance to put the date on Bitcoin. I forgot when we did that, but we called that shit to the T. I don't give a fuck. That bitch did not go above 123K as far as structure. I think Bitcoin getting ready to have a bullish run too. They starting to fake niggas out. Like everybody in sales right now. Everybody jumping in sales and watch how they go fake niggas out. They're gonna start buying up. And it's on
Yeah,
the
niggas
4 hour
starting to
too.
not believe in Bitcoin no more.
They cannot believe all they want. Go look at the damn. All I'm gonna say, when you know if Bitcoin is not being believed, go look at the net inflows of the ETFs. When that shit's go down, when it's when it's dropping, that's when you should be worried. And that shit is not dropping. Bitcoin, Ether, and now Ripple all got ETFs. Check that shit monthly. Put all that shit down. Like I said, that's just more buys. Damn, Ripple. Is wick down like a motherfucker? It's on sale though.
Yeah,
Under $1.90.
people is counting on Ripple to jump. Everybody got hundreds of dollars in there.
Yeah, you probably will see some good percentage gains, but like I said, I mean, I could see Ripple, especially with some of the newer potential moves that they're trying to go for, as far as getting banks to use them for, end of day trading and sending money and balancing out shit like that. I can see them niggas getting to 100. So if you got 1,000 of them bitches, that's 100K right there. But like I said, some shit gotta happen. I don't know if they're gonna report what happens, or they just gonna, you just gonna see it in the damn chart before you hear it in the news. I would think that's what they're gonna do anyway. Yeah, man. I'm trying to get in Walmart with y'all, man.
Man, we should did that Friday, brother.
Man, get up in there.
Oh,
Friday was the day. That bitch pulled all the way to 117. I was in at 118.40. Bro, I seen that bitch drop. I just stopped looking at it. You hear me? But I was like, if it dropped to like 116, I'm gonna get another contract. That bitch dropped to 117 and shot up to like 120. I'm like, Lord.
It
Yeah,
sure
man.
look good.
That bitch, bro, you know, that's really the baby right there. I ain't even gonna cap.
You ain't lying. That's the I'm telling you, bro. You get you one nice company and trade that bitch for 1 year. Just
Exactly, bro.
don't let it go
That's
nowhere.
That's what I was just telling you about having multiple contracts on this bitch. Like, and I see you doing that shit, Scully, too. But I
Hmm.
was saying scalp them bitches, not hold all of them. Make sure you get some scalpers too, like the way you hold them for a few days or something.
2 week
That
expiry,
bitches get you,
1 month. I mean,
Yeah,
I would say
but
it's
get you
or
100%. I'm
what if
saying
you
get
have
100% out that
multiple?
bitch, 200%, and get up out that bitch.
That's what I'm saying. Like you can have your expiration that far out, but it, like you said, if you get a certain percentage, get that. And
Yeah,
then you
take
know what I'm
that
saying?
shit, bro.
Yeah,
Especially if you
yep.
got two contracts. You see what I'm
You can
saying?
always get in again. Yeah, that's a fact.
Walmart going to 130, bro. You know what I'm
Let's
saying?
go. Let's go.
So it's like, you know, shit, get you them contracts up. Like that bitch gonna pull back on you on some of them. What I'm saying is, as
Yes.
long as you got enough bread, you could get another one at that bottom because it's gonna go back up. This bitch going to 130. That's just my
Wal-
call. That's what I see.
Walmart
I
going to
called
200.
120, but now I feel 130, like soon type shit. You know, even well, I'm the reason I also say that. Let's go look at the forecast. You feel me?
I think
Mm-hmm.
that's why all the analysts calling that bitch too.
Exactly. The forecast
130.
says strong buy, max 13 more percent to 136. You see what I'm saying? The average right now where it should be is 124.84. It's not there yet. You feel me? We still got time. Every time that bitch dip, get you some more of them bitches. That bitch says strong buy. 33 analysts say strong buy. 7 of them say buy. 2 of them say hold. 1 say sell, and another one say strong sell.
Who say sell?
It's
What
one
that mean? What that
analyst. One analyst out of 44 say
mean?
I'm about to
sell,
say who said strong sell? I was to say
and
who said
one says
strong sell?
strong sell. Because it's just so high. But 33 of these 44 say strong buy. 7 of them says buy. You know what I'm saying? Like this shit is going, bro. That bit to me and to y'all as well. This shit going.
For real.
Fuck.
Definitely for me.
This is the one.
That's why I was talking to Six. I was telling him, like, boy, it's about to do another move that got us in the game.
Exactly.
Yeah,
It's
with
been doing it. It
that
already did
bullish,
it. It did it last week.
yeah,
That's a fact.
gapping up and
You ain't
shit.
lying.
That bitch
It
be
did it
gapping up
last
like a
week,
Yeah,
bro.
motherfucker.
That bitch
it
gapped
really
up from
did, bro.
114, shot to 120. If you was in from last week, like you was, shit, you was good. No
Oh,
cap.
big fact. Yeah, no, you're right, bro.
No cap, bro. Walmart ain't playing. That's why I had to make sure I got me a hold over the weekend this time. Boy, I'm in yeah, boy. That bitch jumped to 124. That's what I'm talking about, you heard me? 130. Here we come.
Yeah, let's go jump. A
I'm
short
telling you.
week too.
I'm telling you, man. I'm in this bitch like gold. You heard me?
Come on.
Walmart is gold. For
I'm telling you.
real, for real. Don't sleep.
And they got so much uncertainty and people trying to hold back and yeah, boy, Walmart lit.
I'm
Yes,
trying. That bitch
indeed.
still will get money regardless. It ain't counting.
I went in there just this evening just to show them a little love. But the crazy part is, them boys got a
Hmm.
checkout lane only for workers.
Damn.
I was like, oh, okay. I'm about to put in another option.
Nah, they encourage them niggas to spend that money right back with them.
Come on, bro.
Damn.
Y'all complaining about taking too long on y'all break because y'all gotta wait in the line. All
Damn.
right.
Alright.
He ain't never lying. The average nigga who probably do work in Walmart is buying his lunch from Walmart. That's a
That's what
fact.
I did.
That shit literally
And
right there.
if I'm bringing my lunch, I bought it from Walmart, whatever I cook.
Right. They got 2.1 million employees. Yeah, they're not broke.
Sounds good.
Might take 100 of my buying power from my option account, throw it into my stock account, and buy $100 worth of stock somewhere.
I like that play, bro. I mean, come on,
You
man.
know,
Gotta start building out, buying whole for sure.
facts, bro.
That's what's gonna get us real well, especially when we buying companies that pay dividends and just automatically reinvest the dividends. Like,
Yeah, you gotta have a whole dividend account. I mean, portfolio.
mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, account. It's all dividend money.
Chevron.
Mm.
Who must be shorting? Oh yeah, I don't see what Verizon short look like. Since they won't let me save the shit for some reason.
Oh man. Yeah, I don't
Hell
want that
yeah,
stuff. See, it's
that bitch.
over, bro.
Yeah, that
I
bitch.
called it.
Oh,
Well,
that
you couldn't
Verizon
call it,
shorting?
stupid ass. That's why we shorting there.
That
I
bitch
got a
is
message.
shorting.
Hell yeah,
Yeah.
I got a
Let me
message
go
from
look at it.
fucking what you call them saying, yeah, we realize Verizon is down, but don't worry, your service is not interrupted.
Netflix still dropping.
Shit, man, that shit.
Yeah, niggas hate Netflix. Netflix ain't never shook back. Oh shit, bro. I didn't mean to do the op.
The other one that's going crazy is the UCTT.
Oh yeah,
Oh
I'm in there. I
yeah,
got an option in that bitch. Yeah, we in there.
Yeah, that ultra clean. That sucker go.
We in there. Yeah, Verizon dropping. Shit.
CTT.
Yeah, when you called it, I
Mm-hmm.
got in there the next day, but it was too late. I feel like I'm in late for real. That bitch about to start dropping on me type shit. In the past 2 days, that bitch been consolidating since I got in. That bitch ain't did no movement. You feel me?
Yeah,
That bitch just sitting there on me. And now
it's
it look
been
like it's
moving a
about
little.
to drop. Now it look like it want to drop back to 40, 39. But
Yeah, 40. That's where that old consolidation was
yeah, I just feel late type shit.
at. Ultra Clean
Mhm.
Holdings.
Yeah, that bit closed below 40, 43.25, 43.30. Time to get out of there.
Hmm. Yeah, they've been running up recently. 73% month last month.
Yeah, shit, PL did like 60% this month, 60 something percent. Lil Baby busted like cool percent this month. Shit, everything bust. Lil Baby came from $73. That bitch at 115 now. It opened up at $74 this month. That bitch at 115. Crazy, bro. Crazy movements. PL opened up at $20 this month. That bitch at $28. Crazy.
Oh, man. Yeah, guess we're gonna just gonna show love to Martin Luther King tomorrow. Take a break and come back on Tuesday. 'Cause the market will not be open. So I do not have to get my trade just yet, but I will be in one. Matter of fact, I need to look and see what the options looking like. See which one I could buy. But before I do that, let's take a quick glance at the news for the week. See what we got going on. We just had unemployment rate drop at 8 o'clock for China. They kind of holding steady on that. Retail sales down, GDP growth down slightly, but going down. We all going through it. No news on Monday, of course. Euro got CPI. But Tuesday, we bounced back with the ADP unemployment change weekly. Huh. I guess we're going to be saying that every Tuesday. I don't think they did that weekly, if I'm not mistaken. So that's something new, if I'm not mistaken. But nonetheless, Wednesday, unemployment and employment change, unemployment rate for AU at 6:30 Wednesday evening. Thursday, we got the growth rate, GDP, jobless claims, core PCE, personal income, personal spending. We got a lot of news dropping. That's all in between 7:30 for the claims and 9 o'clock for all the PCE and income and spending. See what that's going to look like. Then we got Japan inflation rate and Bank of Japan interest rate decision. That's the carry trade. The carry trade will go more into effect if they increase their rates. The consistency is going to keep it flat, but if them niggas go to 1%, yeah, man, you should probably go sell these. And Friday, we got Michigan consumer sentiment at 9 a.m. And that's it for the week. You know what I mean? Anybody ever bought a Google option? You never bought no Google, huh?
No, them bitches cost like 6 something type shit. Expensive.
Yeah, them Google's nice. You're gonna need a hot 6 or more.
Yeah, hot
A
Facts.
hot 600 or more.
Y'all can
But
hear me, huh?
I
yeah.
yeah. But the buy and hold play with that would be smart. Just keep buying into it. Um, yeah, I think Google will go on a fire run these next 5 years.
Google has. Did y'all watch the trap video I sent earlier? I think it was
No.
that in that trap video. It was saying he was saying how Google is linking up with
Think
different
now?
companies.
Or do
Shit, I
they
was
have
telling you,
it?
Walmart got with them, and I believe Apple got with them as well. They chose Google's chips over Nvidia's chips, so they're gonna upgrade their AI Siri with Google's chips.
Gemini.
Yeah,
AI.
they chose Gemini over Nvidia's chips.
And if I'm not
So
mistaken, isn't Google uh getting most of their like chips from Broadcom? Or are they getting it from like Nvidia still too? Or TSM? You said they make their own chips, huh?
well,
Like
I mean,
Intel.
yeah, I think they're making their own chips because, I mean, as far as, because if they was gonna get them from Nvidia, I mean, yeah, Nvidia, they would have got, you know, shit. Apple should have damn near got with them, huh? If they getting their stuff from them, why
True,
not go straight to the supplier?
true. But they
So
needed,
I
they
believe they're
definitely
making their
needed
own.
some kind of bullish news because that damn phone ain't hitting no more. They can't just survive while dropping a new iPhone every year.
Every month, right? I mean, every year. Yeah.
That's too many
People,
phones out
people keeping they old phones. Yeah, man.
there. All kind of shit. Old phone. Don't see
I
what
I
Android.
got this 11 Pro Max over here. I do want the 17 Pro Max, but shit, you know.
Let's see.
My sister cut up. She messing my account up. She got my account $400 in debt. I pay
Damn.
my bill every month. She don't, so I can't upgrade my phone because she don't want to pay us out the bill.
That's
Of course,
crazy.
trying to help her out. You know,
What?
she can't even help us. Goddamn.
I thought Walmart closed at 119. What they talking about? 120.
No, that's what I'm telling you. Let me see. Yeah, it closed at 119.70. I'm sorry, but aftermarket at 6 o'clock it closed at 120.
Oh, oh, okay. I
Yeah, it
see
still
it here
moves
at 120.
aftermarket.
Yeah, I already know. I done went down that rabbit hole. Thanks to you.
Yeah, you already know, bro. Every week I'm trying to learn something new and be done. Sent y'all a whole chat GBT
Nah, for real.
conversation. Yeah, look.
I
We
be
gonna see what's up.
I'll let the damn thing talk to me and just read with it, especially if it's something long like that. Instead of reading that shit, I just let that bitch talk it
Yeah,
out. Which is
I
still
don't
gotta
even
get
know how to
better with
do
that. Yeah, it's the little voice icon under the message when you get an answer. If it's like a long ass response, you can hit the little voice icon. That bitch will start talking like the
that.
response to you.
I don't pay
But they
for
gotta
that
get
though,
better
so I
though.
probably gotta pay for that.
Exposed. Yeah, it don't be having a lot of like the real inflections and breaths. That should just be
Right,
talking.
right, words. Mm.
But
But yeah, man, definitely looking for me personally. I think everything people think stuff's gonna go chaotic, right? I mean, but nothing's gonna respond. I don't think truly until actual tariffs get set. You know what I'm saying? Once those numbers really hit, like, okay, this is real. He's doing it for real. All right, markets might go crazy from that, but for right now, I think we good.
I mean, shit, they damn near going crazy off of just him talking about it. Like he not even implementing shit yet.
Right, as far as
As
the
far as I know, he's trying
forex,
to
forex.
yeah, he talking about tariffs on European countries trying to deal with Greenland, putting 10% on them if they can't come up to a deal. And then what he said, like May or June, he go up it to 25%. But you know, that's just all tactics, man. He did this shit last time in April. That nigga's the real market maker. Fuck everything. For real. Truth
Yeah,
social.
and then he gonna up it again in May, or something like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, y'all, if they don't do what he want them to do, but apparently people ain't fooling with him because he doing that, so they buying stuff from like Canada's supposed to be buying, I believe, something from China. Can't think, but yeah, they buying something from China, and they not coming to us. And Trump just keep talking about that oil. We got the oil.
Damn, man, I want something far out, bruh. This shit. Walmart getting
Um,
fixed about a
um,
week.
you want me to give you one? Y'all want me to give
Yeah,
y'all one chat?
yeah, man. Give me one in the chat.
Put
Everybody say yes in the chat. Put yes in the chat.
put
Put
the
fire
put the
emoji in the
put the
chat.
Put the
Put a one.
yeah.
Put a one for yes. Like, come on, chat. Put a one for yes. Yeah.
Y'all want me to give
Nah,
Let's
y'all
go.
one
for real.
chat?
Let's go, Scoop.
Let me see how many views we got.
It's three us. He said,
Facts. That's the best viewers we got. All right, so IBRX. Look into IBRX, man. Beautiful, beautiful. Long term. Go just look at the forecast for it. I ain't gonna say nothing
IB
else.
or IV as a
IB
Victor.
B.
IB. RX.
Yeah.
Immunity Bio.
Curing cancer
Son of a
technology.
bitch. You mean to tell me this stock was at $2 on the 31st of December?
Crazy work.
You mean to tell me that bitch went up 35% on Friday? That's what you telling me?
Crazy work.
Bruh. This nigga tripping, man. Man, where you finding them bitches at, man? This nigga he got the platinum package for some nigga on YouTube.
Oh man, nah. I
Nigga
just
giving him
got.
all the fucking licks.
I just know niggas that be doing research. Shit.
Immunity Bio is a clinical stage
Appreciate that, Scoop.
therapy company.
No doubt.
It develops next
Appreciate
generation
that, my
therapy
brother.
that
That
drives
is
the
a
healing mechanism
that
of
is a
Look, that's
gem.
one of them ones. That's
Like
the
you shouldn't have
last
put that
time
on.
I'm gonna be talking about that on the chat.
no, for real.
Last time.
I was just about to say that. Like I'm kind of yeah, that's kind of crazy. Yeah, on the live too. It's good that we ain't like got 50 million subscribers. But
Right.
yeah, this
That
is one of the
nigga
ones.
wouldn't have
But
said it if we
yeah,
had
go
to.
ahead. Let's move on. You
Moving
heard me.
on.
Let's move on. Let's move
Let's
on.
move on.
Yeah, Karen
I'm trying to
Cancer,
get
man.
Walmart, man. That's what I'm trying to get. Shit.
Walmart is beautiful. Telling
What
you, it
y'all
ain't too late.
expiries at on Walmart?
I
Like
just
February
got another
13th?
one for like February 6th, I believe.
6.
Let me see.
Yeah, I got two. So
I just be doing them
one
close contracts, bro. I don't be looking to hold that shit for
one is
Valorant,
the
man.
20th. One is the 20th, and I got another one that's on the 6th of
Yeah,
January.
that bitch
One
to
is
the
the
6th
20th. I'm
of
sorry,
February.
one is the 20th of March, and the other one is the 6th of February.
I need some more long term money to be holding them bitches. Don't get me wrong, I'm getting there fucking with these bitches, but shit gonna take time.
They want 125 for the call for the strike price. That's like far as
But
fuck.
I add the money,
Yeah, that's the lowest one. That's the lowest you go. They ain't got no 121s at the March 20th.
but that's the whole.
Exactly.
Oh,
That's what
damn.
they know what's going on.
March, anything after March. Like the only time you could get a 121, I think February 27th,
Oh,
121.
what you mean?
Like the strike price is closer to the money versus the
Oh, it say 120 to 125.
yeah, that's far as hell.
Yeah, you gotta pay 500 for the 120. I mean, you could get I get the 130. I ain't gonna lie. Get that 130, 190. Let that bitch just do his work. But I mean, it looked like, oh, well, let me see something. Yeah,
I probably
I
do.
mean,
I'll probably do them. Maybe that March 20th for 125 for 370. When is their earnings? Didn't they just have one? No. They got another one coming up. That bitch is the 19th of February, Thursday, right after Mardi Gras. So that's why that March 20th is like that. right after earnings.
Oh, get that fucking May 15th, 130 strike, $3, $4 types.
400.
Yes, indeed. But that's the beauty of this shit. The last nigga paid 300 on this motherfucker. You feel me? You get that bitch for 130 strike, May 15th. Bro, that's a
They got it for
beautiful
300.
3. That bitch say 4, but that was the ass. But the last person paid 300. Like they willing to go down to 3 type shit. There's only 6 motherfuckers selling it for 400 though. Ain't
Yeah, I
many
see it.
people.
Yeah, 917.
Yeah, 917 bid size 233, 233. No, that's 17. You got the same size? 917.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
they must be getting the same data.
Yeah, that's crazy. Like they transferring, they trading through everybody. So this ain't just like you're not just trading with Schwab. You trading with Schwab. They trading through everybody in the same market type shit. That's
Mhm.
just your broker. I ain't realized that.
Yeah, them niggas, they damn near get all they, prices and they fucking the market flow or whatever they call that shit from the same companies.
Right.
There's probably a little handful of companies that supply that information and all that data to them.
Mm.
Yeah, I'll probably do
Yeah.
that March 20 at 125. Even though I really don't want to be that far, but that whole kind of cheap. 370.
Yeah. Hold that bitch all the way out
To the February
to at least through
27th.
the March.
That's
Hold that bitch all the way out through
900 for
February.
121.
Long as February show bullish momentum, I hold that bitch throughout the whole February. Close it in March.
Walmart is a powerhouse, boy. Ain't no telling. Ain't no telling what that bitch will do.
Hmm.
We are looking good on UJ buys and good on AU sales. I just gotta fill that gap on UJ. That's what I'm trading.
Yeah, J sales. You did buys, huh?
UJ buys and AU sales, but I was damn near gonna add, but I said, nah, let me see what the fuck they're gonna do. So that gap down is crazy. And the fact that it fills it in one candle, I just want to see what it's gonna do. So I know the AU will. And then tomorrow, it's really about to close. So
Yeah.
I think it's gonna go through London session, and then that's it for Martin Luther
Nah,
King.
this Forex, huh? I wish it was. It's Forex. That's not like, it's not the American company or some shit like that.
You're right. But
Man,
it might
it's
just
just
have
gonna lose
volume.
volume.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's gonna be a weak ass volume. They're just gonna consolidate right what it's doing. That high and that low it just made this late Sunday.
right,
That's gonna be the range until Tuesday.
right.
So
Like GJ and shit might move
yep.
type shit.
GJ might move. Let's see.
Damn, I should have
Yes.
got that GJ at that low. I don't know what I was thinking.
Federal holiday. Stock exchanges closed. Equity option markets. Closed. Closed. I won't be ready to trade none of my trade resume normal hours on Tuesday.
Boy, and Walmart, that IVP going up. That bit IVP was at like 30% last week,
What
20
is that now?
some percent week before that, 36%.
Mm-hmm.
That bitch starting to gain more traction. People starting to fool with it. That shit starting to get more expensive.
That's why it's having them big ass gap ups and breakout. Everybody like, oh, I want to buy. I want to buy. That shit get packed up.
Definitely gotta start buying and holding. Look like grab this IVP interest. At least a couple.
Hey,
I
you.
feel like I want like one buy and hold and like just do a bunch of contracts where I'm just hitting them out $100, like say 5 contracts at a time. 500, boom, close that bitch. You hear me? 5 contracts hit for 100. You feel me? Close them bitches. That's 500 in a day. Like, or just wait the day out. Wait to see what tomorrow do. You might catch another 100. You feel me? Now you got 1,000. You heard me? And you that wasn't a day trade, so you close that bit out. And you still use your day trade type shit.
Okay, they can't. They put a little message up on my ass last. What it was, like, I think last week or the week before. I tried to close out a trade. I was in profit. Like, oh, I want to take this profit. It was like, nah, bitch, it's a day trade.
Yeah,
This bitch out. Now, what it did let me do though,
you
when
can't
I
do
was
day
down,
trades.
no, because you gotta have 25K in your account. You can only do 3 a month. After that, they
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You ain't do 3. I mean, you couldn't do
uh,
one.
you know what? You're right. It was just telling me that this gonna be your first one if you close this bitch out. I think that's what it
Oh,
was. It wasn't like preventing me from doing it. Let me know like, yeah, it's 1
yeah.
of 3, nigga. Don't go too crazy. But,
What else you was saying? I'm sorry.
nah, I was just saying, I don't even know, but I just know I'm gonna get fucking Walmart tomorrow.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to cut you off there.
Nah, I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, but yeah, I'm just looking at these damn options on Walmart, so I'm gonna get that bitch tomorrow.
Damn, bro, little baby just been busting, bro. That bit did like the at the money call right now did 149%, and that bit worth 1,000, like $10 contract, bro. You telling me $10 contract? So that bit was worth $5, and now this bitch worth $10. No, it was worth. It did 150%. That's
Yeah,
crazy, bro.
so 12 and a half.
Insane. The numbers that this thing is doing is just insane. Insane numbers. Like you could get an out the money call right now for like 445, right? This been dead. That same contract yesterday, well, Friday did 135%. So if you get this 445 call, right, and that bitch bust and do another 100%, your shit gonna be at 900. You feel me?
Yeah,
If you
on the
get like
baby.
a 450 call for little baby ASTM.
Yeah.
The original don't tell nobody shit.
Yeah.
This bitch is still going crazy. Like if we would have held, like I told you, that January 16th contract, bro, would have been going crazy. Cause this bit January 16th was our contract would have expired Friday when it did the 135%. And this mug worth 115, bro. Imagine we would have held that contract, boy. Boy, we'd be up, son. Racks.
Them bitches so volatile, boy. That's one. That's one for sure. You gotta to
Yeah,
even get that profit, you gotta have an extended contract on it just for the theta. Like them hoes kind of don't work with it.
Well, no, the IVP went up. Remember that too, bro. The contracts we had was worth like $100. Them same contracts worth like $20. I mean, they was worth like $1 something. Them same contracts worth like $20, $30, $40, bro.
Times 100.
Yeah, I'm saying that the contract worth like $1 when we bought them. Like that one you
Right,
bought
right.
like 70 cents. Like that same contract right now, when it expired on the 16th of January, when it was supposed to, when we were supposed to see it, type shit, that bitch, those same contracts worth like $30, $40 is what I'm saying. Like crazy work, bro. Like even if we would have lost on theta, we still gained on IVP and gamma and shit like that.
You're right.
Yeah,
Just
bro.
gotta quickly, that's why I'll be looking at this bitch on the live. I have a whole another chart up looking at them.
I'm just peeping game on some of these calls. Like some of the stuff that you believe in, boy. And you gotta file the contract, man. Hold that bitch. Hold that bitch. Some of them, you know, what I'm saying is have a hold on it and have a scalp. You feel me?
Right. Something
One
that you're gonna,
holder, one scalper.
something that's cheap enough so you can get in that bitch and you know you just want to get out of the increase, that little quick increase, because it's gonna have its pullbacks, but you want to
Right.
be out the market already. I got
You feel me? Have your little holder like we had that little yeah, man.
you.
Get in, get out, make that 100%, get out that 50%. You feel me? Do both. I asked her what she liked. She
That's
said do
crazy,
both.
dog. I'm just looking at the price. Like I was shocked to see it at 115. I did not, you know, I don't watch this. It's not on my watch list, but little baby at 115. Nigga, when you
Yeah.
first mentioned that bitch, when we like trading that whole, like it was like
At 60, bro.
yeah, that's
60,
all I'm understanding.
70. So when we got it, that contract you got was at $70, bro. You bought it at 70. That same contract expired at 115. That's what I'm saying.
Yesterday, key fact, somebody resigned from Lil Baby, the board, and the stock rise 14%. That nigga must have been fucking up.
Crazy work, bro. This bitch been doing crazy numbers. I love it. Gotta love Lil Baby. Yeah.
Being selected as an eligible vendor for the U.S. Missile Defense Agency shit. Yeah. That's probably gonna be one of them ones, bro. For sure, for sure. But yeah, man. This was gonna go ahead and wrap it up. You heard me. You know, trading tomorrow. Forex, like you said, Forex gonna be open, but it's gonna be some light volume for
Yeah, it's gonna
New
be
York,
really light, man.
and they probably gonna raise them spreads up too. So you gotta look out for that before you start entering trades in the morning. Check them spreads up. But other than that, yeah, we'll see what Tuesday look like on the open. Walmart with another $5 gap up. Here,
I'm here for that.
You
I'll be
heard
targeting
me.
that.
Facts, bro. Look, if it do that, man, just get in, bro. Don't even trip.
No, I'm getting in before the market open on Tuesday.
Yeah,
All right.
facts.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not
No, I
gonna.
like
Yeah,
that.
I ain't gonna let that bitch gap up.
Yeah,
And it missed the date.
help our contract push up. That
That's
bitch
what I'm
got
saying.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
Now for real. And then
Yes.
when y'all get out, y'all
no
buy it and
doubt.
help me out. Like, You heard me?
Yeah, man.
That's it. That's it. Peace
I'm
out.
gonna keep buying it, bro. I'm not gonna stop buying that bit, bro. That bit could tank. I'm gonna buy it at the bottom.
There you
Yeah,
go.
that's one of them companies you can't. Yeah, never not a good buy for the long
Right.
term.
That's a fact.
Long term,
That's a
right.
fact.
But yeah, other than that, we're gonna be back on Tuesday in the morning. You heard me? See where we at midweek. Sunday, Tuesday morning. I mean Wednesday morning. Yeah, man.
I'm about to say we going live Tuesday. Let's go.
Nah, I can't do it. I gotta go
Wednesday.
to work.
Yeah, Wednesday, man.
Wednesday,
What you?
Wednesday, Wednesday. No, for
That'll
sure.
be Friday. Live from the job.
It's coming.
But yeah, man. We'll holler at y'all. We'll be back on Wednesday morning,
For sure, for
man.
sure.
Yeah,
For
man.
sure. Let's get it.
Peace, everybody.
Peace.
Peace.